Do you know what today is? It's its anniversary. What's up, everybody? Michael Mass here. How you doing today? Hope you're having a magical day. We're here at the Animal Kingdom for the 20th anniversary. We're a few hours later than I wanted to be here. I can explain that later. But if this is your first time on the channel, hit that subscribe button down there. Let's get inside.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
You made it. We made it. Finally made it over here. Like I said, it's been a long day already. Adobe didn't want to work with me today, and so the vlog that's up today, please go watch that. A lot of work went into that, and I do think it's about the finest piece of vlogging that I've done. Most cinematic, definitely. So go check that out. But we just got into the park, and we're gonna head straight over to Up to see the new show, Up Birds of a Feather, something like that. We're headed over there. Let's go.
Every day in Africa.
My name is Annika. It is beautiful here, yes, round into a magnificent aviary, so she could live among the birds. I am a descendant of that queen, and I have returned to become a caretaker of these wonderful winged creatures.
My name is Russ, and I am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Hi there.
Oh my, you can talk? How does this work?
Please do not touch that. Thank you, my brother.
Hey, you're speaking Hindi and English? More like English? Tell us your name.
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.
Oh, I love you too, Doug. A good wilderness explorer loves all animals.
Just like our motto says.
Exactly. We say,
An explorer is a friend to all, be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
you all know this part. Everyone follow along.
The wilderness must be explored.
Now you.
The wilderness must be explored.
The wild. Yeah, okay, wonderful, I'll help. We are going to create a forest in the wild right now. So, if you're seated at the end of the row in our lower center section, go ahead and stand up. Don't be shy.
All right, now Miles is gonna fly right through your arms. That's fast. When she chooses to. Come on, Miles, you can do it. There we go. Great job, guys.
Shabash, you made over there.
Where? I do not see anything on Birdie.
Wow, he has a big beak, just like Kevin.
Yeah, you got it.
My friend here, the small mailman, told me that I am from South America.
Yeah, now there are a lot of birds that live around people. For instance, there are ducks.
Yes.
And, well, here there are guinea fowl. And around here, there are also chickens. Check out these ladies.
Hello, ladies. How about your kitty cat? Kitty cat? No kitty cat? Can you do your kitty cat? Excellent job.
Oh, please be my friend. I am back now tracking chickens.
So will the chickens fast like Kevin?
Kevin's much bigger. She could outrun them.
Look at a picture of an adult African fish eagle. Their heads change to a stunning white, including their tails as well. Thanks. All right, Sonny, we're ready for you. See you later, Sonny.
And discovering their story is just the beginning of your adventure.
Chicken birdies again! Oh, I love chicken birdies! Come here, oh, come here, be my friend, be my friend! Oh.
Well, that was Up, the Bird Adventure, which took over for Flights of Wonder, and now it's got Doug and the guys from Up over here just hanging out with the birds and everything. I enjoyed it, but it's really just the same show, just retold with the characters from Up. So I'm really not sure what we're gonna do. This place is quite crowded today, obviously for the 20th. Obviously they got merch already over here for Doug and the guys from Up. So I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna walk around, check it out. Not really sure. It's really, really crowded. Did I say that? Really crowded. So I think we're gonna head over to Pandora, check out the wait times, and I'm gonna go check out the satay cantina, and possibly eat, maybe shoot a Disney dine-in review. Not sure yet. I haven't eaten today, or haven't eaten a lot today. Kind of hungry. That might be what's about to happen. Not really sure. I'm kind of like, I had a whole lot more plans with today, and just because of technical difficulties. It's a 95-minute wait for Flight of Passage, and Navi River is 105, which is usually never that reversed, but it's only 10 minutes difference on that. We are going to go to Satay Canteen, and here's the deal. I'm going to do this for a Disney Diner review, so that will be up this Friday. So check that out when I do it. I'll show you around here a little bit here. I don't want to leave you hanging completely, but there will be a Disney Diner review Friday on Satay Canteen. Let's go. We tried the Satuli Canteen, and I've been saying that wrong. I'm sure someone's corrected me by now and told me that it's the Satuli Canteen. And on the Disney Diner review, I keep calling it the Cantina. So that is what it's all about here. As I'm trying to dodge traffic here. You know you're like a pro vlogger when you can dodge the crowds a little bit. And since it's been 20 years here at the Animal Kingdom, if you have had a memory that is just awesome, awesome, awesome here at the Animal Kingdom, just share it down below, because I'm sure there's plenty of them. 20 years of memories made here at the Animal Kingdom. So if you have anything like that, make sure to share it down below and let us all know about the good times had here at the Animal Kingdom. The weather looks like it's kind of turning ugly right now. The clouds are really, really gray. So I think I might be calling it a day here. I'm not feeling that well either. Like I said, technical difficulties, and I am just dragging really tired. I wish I would have got here earlier in the day to see all the other vloggers that were out today. By the way, if you ever want to meet just a ton of Disney vloggers, show up at a one-day event like this, and they're gonna be here because everybody's vlogging it, and I guarantee most of them are at home already, editing away, trying to get this up first thing, so that they have the first dibs on the 20th anniversary first ups. But that's not gonna be me. Well, I think that's gonna be about it. We're gonna get out of here. I hope you've enjoyed this very short, brief trip over here. A lot of stuff went on before I got here. There was like the 20th anniversary celebration, all that stuff. I wish I would have got here earlier. It just wasn't in the cards today. But I hope you've enjoyed everything here. We went to Up, we went to Satuli Cantina back here, and that'll be a Disney Diner review on Friday. Wait times in Pandora aren't really that crazy. I hope you've enjoyed it, guys. If you did, give me that big thumbs up. And if you've already subscribed and you want to make sure you get the notifications every time, hit that little bell down there, and that will notify you every time I post a video. I hope you've enjoyed this little trip over here to the 20th anniversary at Animal Kingdom. I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you for your time, guys. Here's the life.